I'm with Matt Stone from Oakridge Wines. Now, it's important to cook with wine. How do you cook with wine at home?
Well, wine is an integral part of a meal. If you're doing things, wine can be the final seasoning for a dish, or wine can be whatever you want it to be. I think, we get caught up in saying that you have to have this kind of wine with this and this with this, but who cares? Drink what you want. And I think that's really important.
Well, what's a good versatile wine to start with? I mean, if you're going to use it in your cooking.
Like a Pinot Grigio, kind of a light aromatic white, a Pinot Noir, like a kind of a light red. These kind of wines that aren't really dominant, they're just kind of really lovely and enjoyable. And when you start talking about full-bodied Cabernets and Shiraz, then it becomes a bit different. But if you're sticking to the lighter styles of wine, you can basically match it with whatever you want, I think.
Now, your style of cooking is very eco-friendly, it's sustainable. What inspired that, and do you think that this is something that everyone should be conscious of?
Absolutely. Like for me, I want to serve the most delicious food I can. And through that process, I realised that biodynamics, organics, ethical food is generally the most tastiest food. So that's where it comes from for me.
This video is thanks to Schweigen, one of Australia's leading kitchen appliance manufacturers, famous for their silent range hoods.